In this video, you will learn how to register for your ALEKS course through Canvas. So first, go to your school's Canvas homepage and enter your credentials. And then navigate to your ALEKS course. Click into the course, and then in the navigation you'll see under Modules a McGraw-Hill Campus link. Click on this link. Click Load in a new window, and a new tab will open up. First, agree to the terms and services, and then click on the ALEKS button. If you have an ALEKS account, you can enter your credentials here, or you can continue to the registration. So I'm going to enter my credentials, agree to the terms and services, and you will be taken to the ALEKS registration confirmation page. Click on Continue, and you'll be asked if you need to purchase an access code, or if you went to the bookstore, you can enter your access code. So I'm going to enter my code. And click Continue. And then at the bottom, click on Confirm. And continue. These are quick tips that will show up the first time you log into ALEKS, just on basic navigation around the website. So I'm going to click to enter my course. And from here you'll be taken through the basics of what is ALEKS. You'll walk through the tools tutorial, and you'll begin your initial knowledge check.